The Story Stones of Hatay. "Welcome, Arda," said Seda, waving a map. "We are standing in Hatay, right here on the Mediterranean coast of Turkey. Hatay is sometimes called the City of Civilizations because people have lived and traded here for thousands of years. Look around. Every stone tells a story, and all these unique views belong only to Hatay." "To start, let's see the incredible nature," Seda suggested. "Hatay has beautiful coastline near Samandag. We must visit the Titus Tunnel. Imagine, Roman engineers carved this massive channel through the mountain 2,000 years ago to divert floodwaters. It's huge, and it definitely belongs right here in Hatay." After the tunnel, Arda and Seda visited a small hillside cave. "This is St. Pierre Church," Seda whispered. "It's one of the oldest continuously used churches in the world. It's carved right into the rock of Mount Storen, and the feeling of history inside is immense. It's a quiet, sacred space unique to Hatay." "Now for something sparkling," Seda declared. They entered the Hatay Archaeology Museum. Hatay used to be known as Antioch, a famous Roman city. This museum holds the world's second largest collection of Roman mosaics. See the colors? They tell stories of ancient people and myths right here in Hatay. All that history made them hungry. "Time for the local specialty," Arda grinned. Seda brought out a plate. "This is kunefe, a hot, syrupy, cheesy dessert baked in Hatay and famous worldwide. Hatay is actually recognized by UNESCO as a creative city of gastronomy, meaning we have amazing food." To walk off the sweet treat, they drove to Harbiye. The ancients believed this area, Daphne, was where the god Apollo chased the nymph Daphne, Seda explained. Now it's known for its cool springs and beautiful waterfalls. The water rushing down the rocks sounds like a historical symphony playing just for us in Hatay. Next stop, the buzzing Uzun Karsi, Long Bazaar. "This is where the local life happens," Seda said, navigating the narrow alleys. "Look at the artisans. Hatay is famous for its silk weaving, glassware, and especially its fragrant laurel soap, all made right here." Seda pulled out the map again. "See how Hatay sits right on the edge?" she asked. "We border the Mediterranean Sea and neighboring Syria. Its location made it a key trading post, bringing together people of many different faiths and languages for centuries. That mixing is the heart of Hatay's culture." "Hatay is truly a city of harmony," Seda concluded. "We saw history in the mosaics, sacredness in the cave church, beauty in the waterfalls, and flavor in the kunefe. From the ancient port of Seleucia Pieria to the modern bazaar, everything here is connected by a long, amazing past." Arda smiled, clutching a small, fragrant bar of laurel soap. "I won't forget Hatay, the city that tells stories. I know all these treasures belong here." "Remember," Seda winked, "all these wonderful places belong only to Hatay. I hope you come back soon to find more stories."